Welcome to the California Responsible Beverage Service Training, brought to you by AACEA, America's Alcohol Certified Education Association. Module 1. This topic will be the California Responsible Beverage Service Training Program. Information to be covered in this module. Number 1. The purpose of the RBS program. Number 2. Enrollment agreement. Number 3. Who is required to attend a responsible beverage service training? Number 4. It is illegal to serve alcohol without attending a responsible beverage service training program. Number 5. Steps to receiving your certification. Number 6. Seminar objectives.
Hi, my name's Len Riggs, and I'll be the host of this seminar for you today. A little bit about my background. I have been in the restaurant/hospitality business for what seems like forever in one vein or another. In fact, I wrote this program from the eyes of what you as a server or a bartender or an owner as a manager goes through.
The purpose of the State of California's Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control Responsible Beverage Service Training is in response to the fact that alcohol is the nation's #1 drug problem. Enrollment agreement. The State of California requires that all servers, managers, bartenders, or persons who supervise persons who serve alcohol in on-premise establishments licensed by the ABC. The license grants the privilege to serve alcoholic beverages to patrons who then consume the beverage within the licensed premises. Servers, managers means any person who trains, hires, or oversees alcohol servers at an ABC licensed premises, or any person who makes policy or operational decisions dictating how alcohol service is performed at an ABC licensed premises, including, but not limited to, when to check identification or when to refuse service to a patron. In short, anyone who does the following actions: checking a patron's identification, taking a patron's alcoholic beverage order, pours alcoholic beverages for patrons, or serving alcoholic beverages to patrons. The aforementioned employees must pass the seminar within 60 days of initial employment. Initial employment means the date an employee signs an employment contract or employee tax and identification documents, whichever is sooner. Only those that are certified by the California Alcoholic Beverage Control may conduct the California Responsible Beverage Service Training. That includes the provider and instructor, either by classroom or via the internet. Failure to do so could result in action against you and your establishment. The course you are taking part of does not represent all legal issues concerning liquor laws in California. For any questions that you may have concerning additional laws not covered in this course, please contact the California Alcoholic Beverage Control at 916-419-2500. By taking part of this seminar, you agree to not to consume alcohol or be under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicants while taking part of this course. To satisfy the seminar's requirements, you must be the one who is participating in the seminar. Once you've completed and passed the course and final exam, you will be able to print a student manual that you can refer back to. Once you've completed this course, we will unlock your exam. We have 24 hours to do so, but we'll do our best to do so immediately. You will have 30 days to take the final exam. There is a $30 charge paid to the ABC. A score of 70% must be achieved to pass the final exam. You'll have 3 attempts to pass. If you don't pass the exam after the 3rd attempt, you will need to retake the course and repay the ABC $3 to take the final exam. RBS in California is a certification, not a permit or license. There will not be a physical card that is issued to you. You will be issued a certification number that is provided to you when you register with ABC. The number will become active once you successfully complete training and pass the final certification exam. Licensees, training providers, and law enforcement will be able to check your certification number in the portal. Licensees and law enforcement will be able to see the status of your certification, active, inactive, or expired. The certification is valid for 3 years and must be renewed every 3 years by taking a California Responsible Beverage Service Training program and passing the final exam. It is up to the employer to determine that an employee whose job function requires they have a certification, that employee has the certification. ABC on-premises licensees' employment and payroll records shall be kept for 4 years and made available for inspection by ABC agents upon request. The best hiring practices an ABC licensed establishment can do is hire those who are open to doing things the right way, to not overserve alcohol, to check identifications, to not allow illegal activities to occur, as well as not allowing disorderly actions. Seminar objectives. Here's what we're going to get accomplished during this course. This seminar is to help you understand alcohol in the hospitality industry, how you as a server can impact your community with responsible alcohol service, DUI and its impact on society, the liability that you can be accountable for, both civil and criminal, California liquor laws, alcohol as a drug and its effects on the body and behavior, facts and myths about alcohol, what alcohol is, alcohol's path through the body, alcohol and drugs don't mix, factors influencing the effect of alcohol, recognizing drinking levels, recognizing the problem drinker and techniques for servers to help, overview of state alcohol laws, techniques for dealing with the problem customers, intervention techniques, establishing house rules for regulating alcoholic beverages, alternative means of transportation, and getting the customer home safely, and always have fun while working. This concludes Module 1. Let's do a little recap. You now know who needs to take a responsible beverage service training program, and it is illegal to not have certification, the time frame to obtain certification, and how to take the final exam, and the seminar objectives. You may now take the Module 1 quiz.